How's it going, YouTube? Alright, today we're going to be working on the trailer. What I want to get done today is I want to get the mounts made up so that I can start working on the body of this thing. Basically what I'm going to do is I got a little drawing laid out over here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take, I have some 3/16 inch flat stock, and I'm going to fabricate up these little hinges. Basically it's just going to be a 3-piece part, 1, 2, 3, and that's what the whole entire body, the dump body, is going to basically ride on. Today I just picked up these Silver and Deming drill bits from Harbor Freight. I watched a review Chucky 2009 did on them, and he said they were pretty nice, so I'm pretty impressed with them, you know, just by the looks of them. They're real sharp, so we'll use them because we got some 5/8 round stock over here that we're going to be using, and that'll basically be the pin that'll go through this. And I still got to figure out the width that I'm going to do for in between, but really it can be anything. There's going to be a little spacer going in here to keep everything from moving in and out. So yeah, I'll get started on it. Alright, so what I'm doing here is I'm just got my flat stock. I'm just going to mark out some 7-inch pieces. We'll cut them. And these will be my first 2 sides. Cut number 2. Okay, so what I decided on for the width was 3 inches, because basically what I'm going to do is take this, I'm going to use the, I know that's 3-inch flat stock, so just so I know my cuts aren't off, I'm going to use this side of it and do the same thing on this side, and we'll just cut it here because it won't really matter if it's off a little bit. Alright, we'll get her tacked up now. Alright, so what I'm doing now is I got these two pieces clamped together that we just cut, and I'm going to grind off these sharp edges, and see if we can focus. Grind off them sharp edges, and then make it a little more level so that it sits flat, because right now they're a little bit off. Good enough for me. Alright, so I really want to get one set done completely. You know, that way if I make a mistake, I'm not making two mistakes. So next thing I'm going to do is find the center top here, and we're going to drill it out. Okay, YouTube, we are all set up. Got the brand new Silver & Deming 5/8 drill bit installed from Harbor Freight, and we are perfectly on center here. And I think what we're gonna do is just give this thing some oil here. Lots of oil on this. Come up here and turn on our Rockwell. And this will slowly go into her. Starting to bite now. Get a better grip. It's kind of hard doing this one-handed. chuck actually came loose. And I'll tell you why, because I'm using these things to tighten it up. Hang on one second. Okay, I got her tightened back up on there. Man, I really hope this thing is not walking on me. Find out. Alright, let's see how she did. I'm nervous. Oh yeah, look at all them good metal shavings. Pretty good to me. Good enough. Look at that, YouTube. We got our first hinge all mocked up. This is what it's going to look like. And I finally found a use for these weak Harbor Freight magnetic clamps here. Or whatever you call them, magnets. So yeah, we're going to get this tacked up now. And then see how it is, and we'll weld it out. Okay, tack one. Tack on that side. Tack on this side. Pretty good. Get this tack on this side as well. Okay, these are tacked in place. Now let's see. She is red. Still good, still good. I'm going to get one on this side. Little wicker balls. This side. have to tighten that. That side's pretty cool. So YouTube, having some warpage problems. I should have done this in the beginning, but what I'm doing now is taking another piece of this flat stock on the uncut side, 3-inch, and wedge it in here, and that should straighten this piece out. But the next one that I do, I'm going to tack 2 of these things, these plates in here, and that should prevent any warpage. But right now, let's see, start with it up here and then knock it down as best I can, make it straight. Let's see. Too far up, but let's see. That looks pretty darn good right there. I'll just shore it up this way. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What do you think about that? Put some good tacks on it. Nothing there. I don't really call that a good tack. Here. And another one here. About a 70-18 this time. This is a 332nd rod. Bump it down to 90 amps. Let's see if we can't get her started with this. That hurt. Okay. So just check pretty straight there. And we'll test. How many times I'm doing this? Alright, I think I am done for the day. Let's take a look at what we did. So, got a little porosity hole there. This wasn't a full bead. I am Not a professional. Remember, I am just learning myself. That was pretty ugly. And that looks even way worse on camera, but you know what? It's gonna stay together. Alright guys, well, I'm hot and tired, so I'm gonna go in and get something to drink and relax a little bit. Thanks for watching.